So the trench town hero that everybody was up in arms for, that was showered with gifts and presents and lavish lifestyle and promised resort trip from sandals and all these things, he is now still without a job. So this is what he had to say. Trenchtown hero Tremaine Brown claims broken promises have left him worried. Lasco and other companies have fallen back on their promises since he saved 12-year-old from drowning back in early September. He shared Sandals Resort promised him a vacation stay. To this day, he hasn't visited any of their resorts. When asked about Lasco supposedly promising him a job, Brown stated that the company did offer him a job, but only offered him 2 days per week packing boxes. He is required to sign a contract of sorts, preventing him from seeking additional employment elsewhere to make up for the loss of the other daily income. What a sinting. While employed with that company. The JDF, who Brown said also offered him a position, informed him that because of his not so clean background that a job with them would not be forthcoming. That's why me say I know everything glitter a gold. They did all this stuff, gave him all this extra promotion and gifts and all this thing. All they did that was for promotional purposes only, to boost their brand, to have people talking about their brand in the media, and that's just how it goes. I definitely feel sorry for him because these are very heart-wrenching to know that he put his life out there to save this boy's life and they promised him something that they couldn't give him. The JDF part I can understand because if his background is clean, they're not going to hire him. But Lasco, they talk about how even if he signed contract and he only can work 2 days a week, that no make no sense. You suffer a Jamaica with 2 days a week work. Somebody please give this guy a job. Like, please find him a good job. He deserves it. He put his life on the line. For me personally, I can't say that I'm shocked or appalled or any of that, because that's just how media goes and the promotion goes. So he should have got certain things in writing. That's a lesson to anybody else. When they promise you stuff, put it in writing. So in the comment section, tell me what you guys think about this story. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm a party here, man. Deuces.